Welcome back to Business is Boundless in Kern County. I'm Richard Chapman, President and CEO of the Kern Economic Development Corporation, and with us today is Mark Olson, Vice President of Mill Operations. Well, thanks for joining us today, Mark. Really excited to have you on the show.
We're really excited to be here. We're really excited about talking about our project.
And last week, a phenomenal win, economic win for the county, the region, and the state. Your project was approved by the Kern County Board of Supervisors. And why is this so important for not just Kern County, but for California?
Sure. California, if it were a country, it would be the 5th largest economy in the world, and it doesn't produce a pound of steel any longer. There's been a generation of steel mills closed in this state, and now we're beholden to outside steel producers, which impacts transportation emissions significantly.
And Mark, give me a little bit more background about the company's founding and history.
Sure. The company was founded in 2014 by our CEO, Eric Benson, quite a visionary. And today, we're one of the largest steel furnish and install subcontractors in the United States. We have our corporate offices in California. We're a California company, and we have more than 1,200 Californians that work for us today. The vast majority of those are union iron workers. So today, we have to go outside the state to buy reinforcing steel. Reinforcing steel is heavy, so the transportation costs are high, but you also have transportation emissions associated with that. So we would like to vertically integrate our business. We want to manufacture our own steel local to the scrap market. There's an abundance of scrap in California, not enough off-takers in California for the scrap, so most of that gets containerized and shipped overseas, where reinforcing steel is manufactured and shipped back, or put in trucks and rail cars and shipped out of state, where steel is manufactured and then shipped long distances back into California. So this is an opportunity for us to produce rebar, reinforcing steel, which is critical for infrastructure needs in California, for climate resistance, for seismic concerns. It's what provides strength and concrete foundations. So it's used in roads, bridges, buildings, hospitals, any kind of infrastructure, you find rebar.
And that bar weighs about 89 pounds, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah, just a small piece. We make this up to 80 foot long, and we also will produce spooled, coiled, up to 5 tons. So really a great opportunity. We're excited about it.
Right, you did a great job of explaining that process. And as an economic developer, I love the metrics. So it's over 500 full-time jobs, which the multiplier would put that around 1,000 plus.
Yes.
And then in terms of cap investment, about $540 million, which $1 billion, throw in again the multiplier. And then really important is more the qualitative, the upward mobility opportunities that come with this project in terms of hiring and then upskilling your workforce, correct?
Absolutely, and we've had some great meetings with educational institutions in the Kern County, California State University, Bakersfield, Antelope Valley Community College. All are working with us to ensure that our employees are onboarded correctly, have the right training. They've offered to help develop curriculum so that we can provide opportunities for kids in high school as they get ready to graduate. They know the path to have really good family-sustaining jobs, and then always have opportunities to train and help advance themselves in our organization.
Well, and we're happy to have you at the Career and STEM Expo coming up next month. Show those opportunities as well. I know you've been involved with our East Kern Economics Alliance, the Greater Attachment EDC, and many other wonderful causes. So where can we find more information about your company and potential career and vendor opportunities?
Sure. PacificSteelGroup.com is the place to go. It's certainly for anybody that wants to learn more about the project, anybody that wants to learn about job opportunities as well. So it's a great place to go.
Well, thank you, Mark. Thanks for joining us today. And remember, business is truly boundless in Kern County.